So here's a bit of an oddball, I would say. This is a super rare fan that I've never seen before in person and never seen one on YouTube either. So this is the first one of these I've seen on YouTube. Here's a 2007 Honeywell HY-020 outdoor fan. This is like an outdoor version of those double fans they used to have, the Tech Force series, and the new one they have as well. I don't remember the model name off the top of my head. But this is pretty much like that, and it's outdoor. It's for outdoor use. So you have two independently adjustable fan heads. I believe these are the same fan heads as the HT-380BP electronically controlled turbo fans. They sound the same anyways. Well, almost. This one is louder than this one. There's actually a note about that in the manual. But two independently adjustable fan heads. I just think this fan is so cool. They push a lot of air. They have those wind generator fan blades that Honeywell calls. Right there. Something else really cool. This lights up when you turn the fan on. I think that's pretty cool. But it's in this nice brown finish. It's got wheels, water resistant, not waterproof, motors, and a stand, and it also has a cord wrap. Right there's a sticker. And it's dated September 2006, so I would guess this is probably a 2007 model. But I think this is so cool. It's perfect for a porch or a patio for keeping bugs and mosquitoes away and just keeping cool, because it does get hot in the summertime, especially here by Washington, D.C. So I'll start with the bottom fan first. Then I'll move to the top. So start off on low. Pushes great air. It's kind of loud, but that's okay. It does get a lot louder, as you will see in just a minute. Just medium. And high. Yeah, it's very loud, especially when you have both fans on and it gets super loud. But it pushes a really good breeze. So if you listen closely, you'll notice this fan spins faster than this one. And I oiled them both, but there is a note in the manual about that. Just found it interesting. It says the bottom fan may be quieter than the top fan. I'm not quite sure why that is, but here's low on the top fan. Which is great air. It does spin a little faster. And medium. And finally high. Which does spin a little faster than this. And it is very loud. But it pushes so much air, it's really amazing. From plastic fan blades, this is awesome. I really like this glowing logo too. So here it is low on both fans. You can hear they're not quite in sync. And medium. finally, hurricane mode, here's high. This is very loud, but it pushes a lot of air. So there you have it. There's the Honeywell outdoor twin turbo fan. Pretty cool little fan, if you ask me. Wonderful for a patio or deck, just like I said. Very rare. I don't think these are made anymore, but I do remember these coming out in the early 2000s. I think that's really cool. But I love this fan. If you can find one of these in good conditions, it is a great, great fan. I totally recommend. So there you go. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.